In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit products in Shopify, a quick and straightforward method to streamline your product management tasks. If you're looking to save time and ensure consistency across multiple products, this is the way to do it. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look over at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options, and among them, you'll find Products. Click on Products, and this will take you to a comprehensive list of all the items you currently have in your store. Now, as you scroll through your product list, you'll notice there's a checkbox located on the left of each product listing. This checkbox comes in handy when you're planning to make updates to several products at once. What you'll need to do is simply click on the checkboxes of the products you want to include in your bulk edit. You can select as many products as you need, whether it's just a few or your entire inventory. Once you've made your selections, move your attention to the top of the product list. There, you'll see a button labeled Bulk Edit. Go ahead and click that. By doing so, you'll open up a lovely interface that allows you to edit several pieces of information about your selected products simultaneously. You can easily adjust prices, inventory quantities, and more, all from this single convenient screen. And there you have it. That's the basic process for bulk editing products in Shopify. Remember, this feature is designed to make managing a large number of product listings much more efficient, saving you precious time. The key is in making sure to accurately select the desired products before initiating the bulk edit, so always double-check your selections to ensure you're editing the intended items. This simple yet powerful tool can significantly ease the workload when it comes to updating your products. It allows for consistency and uniformity, especially important if you're updating pricing strategy or need to adjust inventory levels across your store promptly. Hopefully, this explanation has made the process clear and manageable. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it empowers you to take full advantage of Shopify's powerful product management capabilities. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your e-commerce journey more efficient and successful.